In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train ChatGPT to think like a researcher. Learning how to guide ChatGPT with the right approach can dramatically improve the quality of the answers you receive. Instead of getting quick, surface-level responses, you'll be able to encourage deeper analysis, better organization, and more thoughtful insights. By following this process, you'll make your conversations with ChatGPT far more useful for studying, planning projects, solving problems, or exploring complex topics. To get started, open ChatGPT on your device and make sure it's ready to use. If you're already familiar with accessing it, you're one step ahead. Once it's open, create a brand new chat. Starting with a fresh conversation helps ensure that previous discussions don't influence the responses, allowing the AI to focus entirely on your new request. Next, locate the plus icon beside the message box and click it. This menu gives you access to additional features that can enhance the way ChatGPT responds to your prompts. From the available options, choose Deep Research. This feature is designed to encourage more comprehensive exploration of a topic, helping ChatGPT generate responses with greater depth, structure, and attention to detail. Once you selected Deep Research, make it a habit to begin every prompt by telling ChatGPT to act as a researcher. This simple instruction establishes the role you want the AI to take before it starts answering. It encourages a more analytical approach and sets the expectation that the response should focus on careful reasoning rather than quick conclusions. As you write your prompts, encourage ChatGPT to use structured thinking. Ask it to organize information into logical sections, break large topics into smaller subtopics, and examine different viewpoints before reaching a conclusion. This approach produces responses that are easier to follow while also making the reasoning behind each answer much clearer. It's also important to request evidence-based responses whenever appropriate. Asking ChatGPT to support its explanations with reliable information encourages more thorough answers and helps provide stronger context for the ideas being discussed. This leads to responses that are more informative and better organized. Don't stop after the first reply. Continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions whenever you need additional clarification or want to explore a specific point in more detail. Research is naturally an ongoing process, and each follow-up prompt allows ChatGPT to refine its explanations, expand on important ideas, and provide a deeper understanding of the subject you're exploring. By consistently using these techniques, you'll train ChatGPT to respond with the mindset of a researcher, giving you richer, more organized, and more insightful conversations that are valuable across a wide range of topics. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.